Turkish engineers have successfully demonstrated the advanced stabilization capabilities of the TEBER 35 turret mounted on the PARS 8x8 armored vehicle, developed by FNSS Defense Systems. To highlight the precision of the turret stabilization system, a glass filled with ayran, a traditional Turkish yogurt-based drink, was placed on top of the turret while the vehicle traversed rough and uneven terrain. The test aimed to prove the turret's ability to remain perfectly stable while the vehicle is moving, a critical requirement for maintaining target accuracy and combat effectiveness on the battlefield. Despite the challenging conditions, the glass remained upright and not a single drop of ayran was spilled throughout the entire demonstration. The results showcased the remarkable performance of the TEBER 35's stabilization technology and the growing sophistication of Turkey's indigenous armored vehicle and weapons systems. The successful test highlights the engineering excellence behind the PARS 8x8 platform and reinforces Turkey's position as an emerging leader in advanced defense technologies.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.